Let's take a look at how IdeaPlan will help you map out your business model. Your goal is to describe all the key elements of your idea by posting notes on the blocks of our canvas. But before you start, make sure you check some of the examples we've prepared in order to get inspiration for completing your idea plan. Now, it's time to add your first note. We suggest you start by filling out the why and what sections, where you'll describe the market problem and the solution you want to bring to market. Then, explain who your target customers are and how your products and services will meet their needs, which will help you in finding a product-market fit. After you've finished with the core elements, fill out all the other blocks of your idea plan to explain the current state of the market, as well as the main elements of your business concept and the high-level estimates of your revenues and costs. When your idea plan is completed, you can share it with your collaborators and partners. You can also export it to PDF or Word, or print it out for fruitful discussions with others, because it takes a village to shape and grow a successful idea.